All right, so today I want to show you guys this clothing rack. Now, this can also be used as an over the toilet rack as well. So if you need a little bit more room in your bathroom, you could actually configure this differently. So if you look down here, you're gonna see that there is a steel rack down here at the bottom, which is gonna be one of the plates. And then we've got another one up here at the top. We've got it right now in like this wardrobe configuration, which is basically gonna be for 2 hanging racks. So you'll have a hanging rack down here and then another one up here at the top. But the way that this works for the bathroom is you would actually take that one at the bottom and put it here in the middle. That way you could actually slide this right over your toilet. But like I said, we bought this for a clothing rack. We use it here in our room for additional jackets and stuff like that. And then we also use this at trade shows. So if you're somebody that needs some extra clothing racks for trade shows, this is great because you can see how tall this is. This is probably about 6.5 feet tall. Plus you have this rack up here at the top, which you can add boxes or pretty much anything up on the top as well. But I really like this because number one, it is tall. Number two, it's also gonna be pretty wide as well. So you could probably fit, I don't know, 10 jackets with some room on there. Or if you really just needed to like put as much on here as possible, you probably could fit about 15 jackets or shirts up here on either of these racks. Now this is also gonna be adjustable on the width as well. So if you wanted this to maybe shrink down and be shorter, all you gotta do is you see these little notches up here at the top, you just undo this wing nut right here, and then this whole thing is gonna adjust. So this will slide over. These bars will also slide as well. So if you want this to expand or to close, these bars will also do that as well. And then the one at the bottom, of course, the same thing. So this whole rack will basically go from where it's at right now on the longest length, and then it can go all the way about halfway down. Now there's also gonna be a couple other hooks over here on the side, and you can really move these pretty much to wherever you want. I've got one here on the outside, and then we've got 2 on the inside. This is great for just hanging smaller things. So maybe if you have like hats or scarves or anything small like that, you can really just hook it over here onto the side. And again, these do move. So if you wanted to take one off and you want it to hang from up here at the top, you can just set it up there and then hook on things like your hats. And then up at the top, again, we've got some shoe boxes up here. You probably could fit a lot more on here. You can see we still have a little bit of space over here on the side, and these boxes are relatively large. You could even go ahead and stack more on top of that as well. And then for your hook on the inside, so for your pole right here, this basically just hooks on here as well. So if you did want to, take this off, you don't necessarily need to use these if you wanted to just use it in a different type of configuration, or if you wanted to move this over. So let's say you want this to be maybe closer and kind of sticking out. Maybe you own a store or you do trade shows or something like that, and you kind of want your clothing to be more showcased. It's nice because you could actually pop it out like that, and that looks really good, especially when people are walking around shopping, taking a look at their clothes. I mean, even at home, it's kind of cool. You've got like a staggered look here. You can see that this right here is a dress, and this kind of dangles down. So having this bar kind of pushed out like this is nice because it's not going to be rubbing up against those clothes. Or if you wanted to pull this piece out, you can go ahead and do that as well. So a lot of adjustability with this. You really can kind of customize it how you really want it to fit, and also how specific you need it to be. Because these notches on the inside, there's probably about 20 different notches in here. So you're really able to, again, customize it exactly how you want it to be because there's so many different adjustment options. Now, as far as the installation goes, it's really easy. It's pretty much just gonna be 1, 2, 3 poles here, and then you've got these little clips that kind of hold the bars in. So you'll see there's like little clips there. These pieces just slide right down onto them. And then you just gotta install this pole, and that's pretty much it. Now, another thing here is you can see that we don't actually have this mounted up against the wall. So right now it is slightly wobbly, but it's not to where you necessarily need to mount it. It's more so if you are just worried about like bumping into it, but we pretty much just leave this up against this wall here. But if you wanted to install it and kind of mount it up on the wall, it does come with this little kit that you can use, and this will mount right up on the wall, so you never have any chance of this falling over. But like I said, we bring this with us to trade shows, so we're always breaking this down, bringing it with us, so it wouldn't make sense for us to really install it. So if you're looking for a really good steel clothing rack, something that is going to have a lot of customization, a lot of customability when it comes to the size, the height, the width, and a bunch of stuff on here, then this thing is absolutely perfect. Like I said, we love having this here in our bedroom for our extra jackets. And then also just breaking it down, super simple, bringing it with us to trade shows to use to sell clothes. Also, again, it is also used as a over the toilet extra storage as well. So if that's what you're looking for, this thing works great in both situations. I would definitely recommend picking one up.